Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here, because at this point, clouds and radar not showing us anything too impressive, but it's a noisy morning up to the north and west of us. We've got areas out towards Abilene, Graham, just south of Wichita Falls, dealing with some severe thunderstorms, a lot of lightning, heavy rain too, and possibly some big hail. This is firing on the tail end of a boundary here. You can see the storms and showers kind of wrap through North Texas, through portions of Arkansas, and then all the way out. The severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings, all those blue polygons indicate flash flood warnings ongoing in portions of Tennessee. And unfortunately, this is day one of about 3 to 4 days where this same area is going to get hit over and over with severe weather and significant rainfall. As we bring it back closer home, 74 degrees here in Austin, very warm, very humid, humidity up to 82%, south-southeast winds at 9 miles per hour, dew points in the 60s and 70s, certainly on the high end of the scale here. This is more kind of like summertime weather this morning. The drier air well back to the west. As far as how today is going to play out, it's possible we see a few spots of sprinkles, mist and drizzle this morning. Radar is going to have a hard time showing it. Sometimes that's so light that it falls underneath the beam, but it's possible you see a little bit on your windshield with those temperatures in the 70s around drop off, heights in the 80s today, upper 80s, as some of those clouds will clear. They'll thin some for the early part of the afternoon before they get back in here this evening. So the high resolution model that I'm going to show you this morning, I think has a good handle on the fact that we could have some spots of light rain this morning. Looking at the early afternoon, you see the rain disappears and some of the cloud cover disappears, allowing for that sunshine. That's going to help boost our temperatures. But then we get into the evening, and this boundary, this stationary front, is going to act as a trigger for more spot showers and isolated storms, it looks like this evening. As we get into tomorrow, very similar, just more of it. We should see more of that scattered rain, kind of showery activity tomorrow morning. We see a little bit of thinning with the rain coverage around midday. And then as we get towards the later part of Friday evening, a few more spot showers firing on that same boundary. But Friday night into early Saturday, this is the main event. This is the front that I think is going to push all the way through, drop our temperatures, drop our humidity. But before it does that, it's probably going to throw a few nasty storms at us. The severe risk today is low, 1 out of 5. Tomorrow, late tomorrow, that grows to a 2 out of 5 risk. As far as concerns go, hail and wind will be the two big things out of any well-developed storm late Friday into Saturday. Low tornado threat. I think these storms are more capable of wind and hail, with the potential for about 1/4 of an inch to an inch of rain. The further north you go, the more likely you'll see some of those higher totals as you got back-to-back rounds expected. 7-day forecast, upper 80s today with that chance of a few morning showers and an isolated storm. We'll do it again this evening, but Friday night into Saturday is the main event. Temperatures down to the 40s, waking up Sunday morning, highs in the 60s, 70s and sunshine next week. Erica?
Wow. All right.